Hey, what's up everyone? Teacher JPEG here, chilling in Thailand at the bungalow. I have myself a durian. I'm starting the durian diet. Let's see how long I can only eat durian for. Maybe some mangosteens. This is the king of fruits. It's so spiky, it might hurt you. Shh, people die when it falls on them. This is very expensive. It's an expensive durian, but it's worth it for the durian challenge. Okay, so let's break it open. Belly and durian. Oh, okay. So I have class in like 5 minutes. Durian. It's smelly, pungent, and delicious. Check out the amazingness. So amazing, it's so sacred. You feel amazing afterwards and so full. Okay, so that's about it. Round 1, durian. Let's see how much I can eat. Well, maybe I'll eat and then do a time lapse. Durian eating time lapse. This is the view from the new pad. Beachside, baby. Same price. The only reason why I'm here is because my air conditioner broke. Fortunately for me, no one is on the island because of the state of affairs. So I'm going to go for a durian run. If anyone knows Durian Rider, the vegan video blogger, I'm gonna one-up him, do a durian run. Run, go buy that durian. We're at the fruit stall. Here's the mangosteen. This goes well with durian. I'll show some of this. But here are the durians. Oh. So many. Big. 160 baht, which equals $5 a kilo. 1 kilo of the meat is approximately 1,500 calories. Ooh. Yeah, big. We're going big. Big. All my teaching money goes to this durian. Because it's the durian challenge and I have nothing else to do. I don't drink alcohol. The durian. Too big. It's too big. Okay, smaller. Smaller, yeah, a little smaller. It's too big. There's too much durian. Nice. Okay, mangosteens, durian, beach, clouds, sun, boat. Let's do this. Wonderful. Fruity and pungent, creamy. I have the mangosteens to not block my digestion because it feels pretty clogging without them. So, durian mangosteen challenge just to keep it going. Okay? I'll save you the flies. Okay. Time lapse. breakfast. Durian breakfast. Durian breakfast is complete. And boy, am I full. So full. Check it out. I'm still in Thailand. Okay, I have this durian takeaway. Durian. I am almost officially sick of durian. It's day 3. I did cheat today. You know it. It smells amazing. It's durian number 2 today. Ending the day with the dinner. So, durian challenge was a failure. Cheating. Eating like Langans. But you know what? That's okay. It was a nice challenge. Nice try. Try next time. The durian challenge is over. Did I succeed? No, I failed. The final day. And this day 2, I failed. And even day 1, I ate mangosteens. So I just completely failed. I was just full from durian. So the question you might be asking me is, hey teacher JPEG, was it worth it? The durian challenge? To eat nothing but durian? No, it wasn't worth it. Then I would go back to the durian people and they're like, what, you're here again? I'm like, trying to say in English, hey, I'm doing a challenge. And like, what is this dude just eating so much durian? What? And then it was annoying going back to them and I wasn't buying enough. Should I spend total on the durian challenge? I spent, let's see, 25 day 1, like 30 day 2, 30 day 3. Yeah, just eating a shitload of durian. And then I didn't even win. So, yeah. Hey, what's up everyone? So, durian challenge, huh? I don't recommend it, because you see this? This is a staph infection. I had so much freaking sugar in my blood that once a damn spider bit me, I just had it explode. Be warned. That sugar and fat in the fruit diet, man, leaves you susceptible to some serious staph infections. So you know what? Watch out. Once you see those videos, eat as much fruit as you want. It's so healthy. Yeah, until you get an infection. Then you're fucked. Don't be fooled.